Hey everybody, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a really pretty Dutch braid. I wore this on my trip to Costa Rica and I've been wearing it a lot since, so I thought I would just do a little quick tutorial. It's not hard at all. I think you guys are going to really love it. So don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into it. To start this style off, I just curled my hair with a 32mm curling wand. I'll leave a tutorial for that down below. And then I put in 3 wefts to make my hair a little bit thicker. So a 2-clipped weft at the ears, and then a 3-clipped weft right above that, and then a 2-clipped weft right around my temple. And because my hair is super clean, I'm using the Dry Volume Burst from Kenra. This is going to give the hair a really great grip for the braid. This is not sponsored, I just genuinely love this product. So you're going to spray it in short bursts wherever you need volume or texture. So now onto our braid. We're going to take a small section of hair near our part and divide it into 3 equal sections. And then you're going to braid the section that's closest to your face, or the bottom section, under the middle section. And then you're going to braid the section furthest from your face, or the top section, under the middle piece. And that's really your first stitch of the Dutch braid. So it should be pretty easy to get to this point. And now we're just going to add in new sections of hair on each side. So add a new section of hair to the bottom section, braid it under the middle, and then you're going to put all 3 sections in your bottom hand, and with your free hand you're going to add in a new section to the top section. And then you're going to braid it under the middle. And you're just going to repeat these steps until we get further down into our braid. Keep the sections really loose and light, so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm only gathering that top thin layer of hair because we want as much hair as possible over on our neck, so only take what you need to take to incorporate into that braid. When you've incorporated all the hair above your neck, we're going to stop adding in new sections of hair and just do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down until you run out of hair. And then you're going to hold that braid taut with one hand, and we're going to stretch the braid just a little bit. So I like to kind of pull on the edges of that braid, and this just stretches it out and makes it look really fluffy, soft, and romantic. Tie the braid off with a clear elastic, and then we're just going to go in and do a little bit more fixing. So I really like to loosen up the sections that are falling into that braid on the side, and from the front you can see that you can really get a lot of volume by loosening the hair. So this is only going to work though if you're using a texture spray or have a lot of texture in your hair naturally. Otherwise your hair will just fall right out of the braid. And then I like to take a comb and kind of tease the hair, spray some more of the Dry Volume Burst in it, and just really amp up the volume there. And then before I'm finished, I like to take my hairspray one last time and just smooth down any of the flyaways. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this hairstyle, and make sure to tag me on Instagram if any of you guys try it. I love getting your pictures. You can follow me over on Instagram too. It's just at Twist Me Pretty. So, I upload 3 times a week. I would love to have you subscribe if you're interested. You can do that right here. And then I will leave another tutorial that I think you guys might like right over here. So, hopefully we see you guys in the next one. Bye everybody!